So you might be running into a problem on your Android phone where for some reason it's telling you that something went wrong and there's an error retrieving information from server. Now, there are lots and lots of reasons why this ends up happening, but the very first thing that whenever I've had this issue at all, it was mostly always due to an internet connection problem. So what you're going to want to do first of all is just make sure that your internet connection is properly set up and you actually do have a solid internet connection on your device. If you do not have any sort of internet connection associated with your phone, well, that is probably going to be the problem, especially if your Wi-Fi connection is intermittent, if it's like sometimes good, sometimes bad, that's probably going to be the problem. So just make sure that your internet connection is good. You can try making your way over to a different application like Google Chrome. And if Google Chrome loads up fine and you're able to load things up, then that's one thing. But if Google Chrome is also not loading up, that probably means you have an internet connection problem and you're going to have to fix that pretty much before continuing on. Now, if that doesn't end up working either, the next thing you may want to do is just restart your phone. So just hold down the buttons that are basically required to restart your phone, whatever phone you have. I don't even know which ones they are here. And then when you go and click them, you want to go ahead and restart your phone. And what's going to happen there is it's going to allow you to basically restart your device. So go ahead, restart your phone, and that may end up fixing the situation too for most people. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you may want to try doing is just going through and seeing if for some reason you can close out of Google Play Store and if it just was having a random weird issue. So close out of the Google Play Store and give it a few seconds, go and open it back up, and you want to see if it ends up working then. Sometimes that's probably all you're going to have to do there too, and that might end up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, you may want to try going through and going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com and seeing if for some reason those specific websites are actually down. Sometimes they can be down, and if the Google services are down or whatever the case is, well then that could probably be the issue and that might end up fixing it if you just give it some time. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.